Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and we are going to announce the winners of the Gen5X Brushless Impact Wrench giveaway. I have to apologize for the mess behind us, and I'm sure you've seen the side-by-side sitting there, and they're just there because they're easy on, easy off the lift quick. We've been just pushing the cars in and out of here. We have the 1971 Corvette on the road, so you're going to get an update on that car soon and how it turned out. It is a torque monster, and we've been having a lot of fun with it. The Travis Mills Jeep project is getting finished up with graphics, and we're gonna kind of move on to some other things on that, and we might leak a few pictures of that soon. It's really cool. Lots of things going on around here, and I know the tool stuff is gonna start to really ramp up come mid-summer, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and give us a like. We're gonna continue with giveaways from here until then, and we have a lot of tools that we still have to go over, so apologize for dragging this out. A lot of cool stuff happened in the shop, and we don't get to always talk about it. So, 2 winners here. Hopefully you got in on the last one, man. A lot of you guys had some great things that you do with vehicles, and it's awesome to see that we're not the only ones that like to play with vehicles, do different things, change engines, swap things out. Awesome that you do that. Keep up on the comments and the videos. We appreciate it. So, the 2 winners are, first, you have to comment back to us down below and email us. We want to make sure that you're the right person that's emailing us. Do that, Bob Lewin and Adam Crouch. Now I'll go back and comment on your comments. Hopefully YouTube notifies you on the old video. Make sure again, email webmaster@workshopaddict.com and comment on this video letting us know you sent us the email. We'll match those 2 up, and we'll need your address and phone number for shipping. If you didn't win, man, I'm sorry, but we have a lot more giveaways coming up. We have some cool things happening, and I want to keep you in the loop. So again, subscribe and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We have a lot of ways of communicating in there. I know a lot of you guys are helping us out with the different tire issues that we've been having with stuff. We appreciate that. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.